In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a filter in Jira. Sharing filters is really helpful when you want your team to see the exact same view of issues that you're working with. Instead of everyone rebuilding the same search, you can configure it once, then share it with just a few people or with an entire project or group. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the complete process step by step. First, open Jira and navigate to the filter you want to share. You can do this by going to your filters section, choosing View All Filters, and then selecting the filter from the list. Make sure the filter already shows the issues and conditions you want to share, because whatever you see here is what others will see when they open it. Once your filter is open and you're looking at the results page, look for the option to share. This is usually labeled Share near the top of the screen, around the filter name or settings area. Click on the Share option to open the sharing settings for this filter. A panel or dialog will appear where you can fill in the sharing details. Here, you can choose who should have access to this filter. Depending on your Jira setup, you might be able to share it with individual users, specific groups, or entire projects. Take a moment to think about who actually needs this view. For example, you might share a bug tracking filter with the QA team group, or a sprint planning filter with a particular project. Adjust the permissions so that only the right people can see or edit the filter, following your company's guidelines for access. After you've set the sharing options, you have two ways to actually share it. One option is to click on Copy Link. This will copy a direct link to your filter to your clipboard. You can then paste that link into an email, chat message, or documentation page. This is handy if you want full control over how and when you send the filter to others. Alternatively, after filling in all the details and confirming that the visibility is correct, you can click on Share. This saves your sharing settings and makes the filter available to the people or groups you selected. From that point on, they'll be able to access the filter directly from